my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Literally puddles. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy shit. Good morning.
I think I like when it rains. You told me to go to the light. And what it's like to feel your pain. Now I'm okay if you're alright. I start to wonder why I came. I dreamed of things you said to me. We stand at your place while it rains. We talk and we laugh and watch TV. And I couldn't find the words. I couldn't think of what to say. And all that I can do is stop and think about the day when all we used to dream about was meeting at the school. And we would go on home and start right back again.